It's a stolen breath. I'm dancing on the edge of death.